Earthquakes are natural events. Earthquakes usually occur along fault lines, which are the cracks in the Earth's crust. When the stress on the crust reaches a breaking point along these fault lines, the faults slip suddenly, releasing energy. The released energy creates seismic waves that spread to the points where the Earthquakes are more common in active regions of the Earth's crust, where the plates are close to each other. Large earthquakes can cause significant damage and even loss of life. In conclusion, earthquakes are natural events that occur as a result of fractures in the Earth's crust. These fractures along fault lines lead to the release of accumulated energy, causing an earthquake and propagating seismic waves.